Hi, this is Adam from Tyms. In this video, I'll walk you through how to create invoice records using a prompt. A prompt is simply a description of the invoice written in plain language, and Adam, your AI accounting assistant, uses it to create the invoice for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create invoices using natural language or a prompt, have your invoices automatically created and displayed. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, click More in the top navigation menu, then under Revenue, select Invoices. This takes you to the Invoice page, where you'll find a table listing all your recorded invoices. Here you can generate and manage your invoices and receivables. Click Create Invoice, then from the drop-down select Ask Adam. A modal opens for you to add your invoices. In the modal, simply describe your invoice in plain language. Include details such as the customer name, invoice date, due date, line items, quantities, prices, and any other information you want on the invoice. Once you're done, click Submit, and your AI accounting assistant, Adam, processes your request and creates the invoice for you. To preview any invoice, click the three-dot icon and select Open. You'll see the invoice overview, the line items it contains, other relevant details, and the invoice document itself, ready to download and send to your customer. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.